In this video, I'll show you how you can make use of the MindTap Progress App. The MindTap Progress App is listed in your app bar and is indicated with the silhouette icon with the green circle. You can think of the Progress App as the gradebook for your MindTap course. Within the Progress App, you have several tabs that run across the top of the page. The ones you'll use most frequently are Overview, Analytics, and the Gradebook. Within the Overview screen, you'll see a listing of all of the activities included in your MindTap course. Here you'll be able to see when it's due, the average score, as well as the number of students who've submitted that assignment. To dig into the details, you'll simply click on the activity title, and you'll be able to see the details for each of your students. You can then go into a specific student's details by clicking on the student's name. This allows you to see when the student attempted, the student's score, and you have the ability to click the View button to go in and view the activity. Notice that you can also edit the student's score by clicking on Edit Points and changing the point value. You can add a comment that will display to the students by clicking the Add a Comment link and typing your comment. Note that this is also how you can extend a due date for an individual student. You can click on the Activity Due Date calendar icon and set a new date. This will change the date just for this student. The Analytics area will show you a visual graphical look at your students' progress through the course. There are 3 different areas to the Analytics: engagement level, time in course, and percent of activities accessed. Each plot point on the graph is one of your students. If you place your cursor over top of the icon, you'll be able to see the student's name as well as the student's information. If you clicked on the student's name, this will take you into this specific student's details. This allows you to see the student's overall score, the amount of time spent working in the MindTap course, number of times that they've logged in, and what the student has accessed when they've logged into the MindTap course. You're able to see this information at the overall course level here at the bottom. This shows you the average score for your course, time spent in the course, number of logins, and the percent of activities that have been accessed. To go into details, you'll simply click into the relevant area here at the top. Lastly, your gradebook is your more traditional gradebook view. This will show you all of your students as well as their overall score in the course. To see the details for each assignment, click on Show All Grades. This will show you the column view, and you'll be able to see how the student scored on each one of the activities. Click on the Edit Scores link if you want to go in and modify the scores for several students at one time. You can also click on Filter Assignments to filter to show specific assignments based off of the criteria that you've selected. At the top in Manage, you have the ability to export a copy of the gradebook into Excel. This allows you to export the entire gradebook or export a filtered view of the gradebook.